Hey there viewers, welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. Today we're going to do a review on the Adams Polishes Interior Detailer. Now if you have seen my very first Adams Polishes videos I did mystery box items in use. They weren't really a review videos, it was just showing me using the products that I had got in my mystery box. So I want to do an actual review on this product in particular because I have been using it a lot lately. As you can see, because when it's new, it's up here. It's all the way down to about the sticker now. And I'm really starting to like this product, so I figured let's just do a review video on it. Let's do it. So I'm not doing a review on the Adams Polishes Tire Shine. There's plenty of reviews on those online, and I have told you guys what I think of that product, that I really like it. And I just cleaned the Journey yesterday. I did that Griot's Garage Best of Show wash and wax, so this is all clean. This is the final result of what the tire looks like the next day. It's just a satin finish on the tire. So if you like satin finishes, I definitely highly recommend this product. So I just wanted to throw that out there real quick. I'm gonna give the camera to my son. We're gonna do this door first. And I'm sorry if the light's really bright in my face. How's it in my face right now? Is it really bright? Then you turn it down. There you go. Okay, so what we're gonna do this door right here, and it is not real dirty, but my whole purpose in this video is to show you the finish that it leaves on here as far as the cleaner is concerned. Can you get the whole door like that?
Yeah.
Let me see. Sure. Okay. We're going to shake it up, and the directions, let's see, what are our directions? To avoid overspray, spray product directly onto edgeless utility towel. This is an Adams edgeless utility towel. Wipe surface to be treated until product is even in appearance. Remove excess with a separate dry edgeless utility towel. For maintenance, reapply interior detailer after every wash. So we're going to spray it on here, and it does smell really good. It's a mint eucalyptus. Smells really good, and I've really started liking this product the more and more I've used it. And the smell is not overwhelming. You know, it smells really good while you're using it, but after, I don't know, not even an hour, you won't smell it in the car again after that. Now it says to wipe over or turn the towel over to basically knock it down, but as you can see, there's really not a lot of shine once you give them an overview of the panel. I'm gonna come back a little bit, stand back just a little bit. There you go, just nice and slow. This is my 10-year-old son, Brian Jr., and he's operating the camera for me today. Let's scoot back just a little bit, just kind of give a big overview of the whole door panel. There you go. Now we're going to go into the interior, and we'll do the dashboard, and we will do the steering wheel. Okay, so it says this product can be used on leather, which my steering wheel is leather wrapped, but I do want to mention that it says it's not intended for use on suede upholstery, glass, navigation, or entertainment screens. So unlike my Griot's interior detailer, I can use it on my navigation screens and I can use it on the instrument cluster. It says to not use it, so we're not going to do that, which, you know, that's not a big deal. You can use Windex or whatever on those if you want. So what we're going to do, Junior, if you want to, we're going to do the steering wheel, and there's a little bit of dust back here. I don't know if that camera's picking that up, but that's all it is dust. When I first started using the product, I really didn't know what to think of it, because I had been using the Griot's for so long, so I didn't give up on the product. I continued using it, and I really like it. It's not leaving the surface. Oops, I forgot to buff it over. Now this is the wet side. It's not leaving the surface sticky. It's not leaving the surface shiny. I hate shiny dashboards. I've said that enough times. You guys are probably tired of hearing that, but that's just the truth. I hate it. I just like the dashboard to look like it's brand new. Glossy as fake. So there's the steering wheel. Steering wheel's done. You know, I did the switches and everything. I wasn't really concerned about that. There's switches on the back. I guess I didn't clean those, but do the whole steering column here. And this is not going to be a really long video. I'll make this video as short as we can. But I really do like the smell of this when you're using it. I mean, I know I said that already, but now it's not my practice to spray on the dashboard. I know I've said that before, so go ahead and focus on the dashboard the best you can without smacking the light. We're gonna go right here, right in this area. I'm gonna spray it onto my rag, just like I've been doing. We're gonna do a small portion of the dashboard, and then we're gonna turn the camera off. I'm gonna do the rest of the car, and then come back and show you final results here in just a few minutes, but don't turn it off yet. Turn it over and just kind of buff off the excess. Now, as you can see, there's no gloss on the dash either. Everything looks nice and dull. It does take a little bit longer to flash than what I'm used to. You can see it. Now it's flashing when I blow on it, but that's not a big deal. This is so much better than that Chemical Guys interior detailer I did a review on a few weeks ago. So I'm gonna finish up the vehicle and we will. Okay, so I did all the interior trim pieces. So I'll just give you a quick overview. Door. The dashboard. Not the navigation, or it's not navigation anyways, but touchscreen. Did not do that, obviously. Steering wheel. And I did that door. I did that door. And my daughter's door in the car seat. So the product works very well. The surface is dull but brand new looking, and that's the type of surface that I like. If you're looking for a glossy dashboard, this is not the product for you as well. It does clean exactly how it says it's going to. It's got a very nice mint eucalyptus smell to it. It's very pleasing when you're smelling it. It's not overwhelming to where you think it just smells nasty. It leaves the interior smelling pretty good just for a little while, but then the smell goes away. Dashboard, door panels, everything looks great when you get done with it. So I definitely highly recommend this product. This is a 2 thumbs up product. And like I said, the very first video I did wasn't really a review on it, but I watched the video again on the interior detailer section, and I was not happy with what I did on that video. It did not do this product justice, and this is a very, very good product. So I highly recommend this product, other than if you want to be able to clean navigation screens, dashboards, glass, kind of like the Griot's interior detailer. This says you cannot do that, but that's not really that big of a deal to me. You have other products that can do that. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button while you're down there. If you have not subscribed to this channel already, hit that little bell next to it, so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified, and we will just see you guys next time.